Hi, my name is Fernando Trias, and I'm going to try to identify tree species based exclusively on leaf images. My training set included 159 species. I looked at the images as black and white, resolution of 224, and I added augmentation because I just didn't have enough images. I reserved 80% for training, 10% for validation, and 10% for testing. I tried two main models, a MobileNet model, which is compatible with TensorFlow Lite and Apple's Core ML. I did this because I have the intention of eventually creating a mobile app that can be used to identify trees. That worked really well. It ran for 2.5 hours, about 100 epochs, yielding me almost 90 plus percent accuracy for both validation and training. For comparison, I also created a convolutional network, 3 layers, and regulation in every layer, and that took about 16.5 hours, a bit excessive, and the accuracy was not quite the same. I also looked at the ResNet 15 inception models, but the results really didn't look that much better than the MobileNet, so I just stuck with that. When I looked at the top N accuracy, so like what percent of the time did it actually predict the right tree in the top 1 prediction and the top 2 or top 3 predictions, you can see that very quickly by the top 3 predictions, basically 99% of the time it got the right tree in the top 3. Looking at an example of prediction here, you can see that these two predictions basically predicted the right one with 99.9% accuracy. In the first image, it was even rotated and twisted, but it still managed to predict the right tree. When it does make a mistake, it's usually because the leaves are virtually indistinguishable, as in the case of the American hophorn beam and the American beech presented here, where you can really only distinguish them by looking at the tree itself and the trunk and the branches and so forth and so on. But the leaves are the same.